Hola, senor. Got a new headset, new mic, and a new wireless mouse, so I'll be able to play much more Minecraft now. I'm very happy about it. I downloaded Spoutcraft. I guess I could leave a link in the description for you guys. So what it has is like a bunch of lists of like random servers. Like, here's a ton of them. Right now I'm playing on this one. It's called Obsidian Craft. I'll show you that right now. What I built on it. It's pretty wild. Yeah, so this is the start of my tower here. It's pretty sick, I know. Playing on a public server, I left the sign right here. In case you're wondering, every time I keep jumping is because that's the key I have to press to talk, so I know it's a little bit annoying. Alright, so this is basically the downstairs. What I've been doing is blocking this area off so no one can see it. So I'll show you what that looks like. Bam! Nothing, right? Shazam! Secret entrance. No one will ever see it coming. You shifty bastards. So I mined out this entire area coming down here. It took a long time. Yet I don't know what to do with it. So if anyone has any ideas, run them by me. I just might build it. Anywhooser, I'm gonna get going, because I gotta start packing for a trip I'm taking, which I shall be playing much Minecraft on. Alright, so see y'all later. I'll end this video.